Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video, we are going to see how to do accessibility testing with a tool. Why we have to use tool for accessibility testing? Like accessibility testing, first we have to understand what is accessibility testing. Like whatever application we are testing, we have to check whether is that application usable by disabled people. Something like some people have a vision disability and some people have a like the color disability they will have. So all these kind of people can be used. Can they use this application or not? All these things we have to test, as well as can we use a keyboard shortcut and all the tabs and all in the order, like whatever we can do with mouse, the same thing can be do with the keyboard shortcuts also. Is they're all handled? So this kind of stuff we need to check also. The elements, so when they are writing an element, for example login page or something like that, for example in Google, they should have given some element name, so that can be used when they are giving audio input through mobile app, something like that. Okay, these are the things we can check, but checking this manual, checking this like manually will take a lot of time. So there are some tools in the market, like recently even I have tried to use the tool. So axe DQ. Okay, so this you can pronounce however you want. So this is a website of the tool. So as of now they are giving free, like you can test the application with free. This just available with Chrome. Install Chrome extensions. Once you install the Chrome extension, just right click on it, go to inspect element, and here you can find AXE. So let's see how to use this tool. Okay, so you are in a like the tab, right? So just click on analyze. So what will do, whatever the site you have opened currently, that will be analyzing. So you have found zero violations, because these people are the developer of this tool, right? They should be having what, they should not have any violence, right? So the same thing I'm going to try with Google page home page. Let's see what are the errors it will give. Go to AXE. Just do analyze in the Google page. There are two violation found. One is that page must have means to bypass repeated blocks, and another is like ARIA, something like attribute rich internet application, which is like I talk about, right? So all kind of people should be able to use. I think this page not giving that ARIA attribute. So I liked for this they are not giving like that, they are saying. Okay, likewise you can do for multiple page. Maybe I will. So I'm going to do some advanced test with the Paytm site. So go to Paytm and just open inspect element. You can find this plugin page. Down the line of analyze button, there is a sign into like beta. So if you log in, you will get lot of other features. So if you don't have any account before, just try to register, then you log in. Okay. So already I have a login credential, so it's already filled. If you don't have account, you just create one and just log in. So it will give you a page. I have already tested some site actually. So there is a button called test a new web page. Okay, now what I want is like it will just open a browser. There I can add any site, new test, right? So I will just enter paytm.com. So it will be start recording the page and it will give you a stuff here ready. Okay, so Paytm it auto detected and performing some automation test on paytm.com. So it will try to click and do some scroll maybe. See, it's trying to do some refresh and processing some requests from the back end. Okay, now if we go, I think report is ready. So I just saved it. There are 268 issue found. If you see the issue, like ARIA, it's like kind of accessibility based and autocomplete attribute must be ready, autocomplete automatically, and the element must have sufficient color contrast. Some of the element doesn't have a color contrast, so who have the visual impact, persons can't see that. So like it will just give you everything. Okay, expand all, see more detail, click on see more detail. You can find which class and which id it needs some element, what color comparison and all, color contrast needs to add, everything it will show here. Okay, so this is the, here you can say like big one. And there are other test, guided test, keyboard area model, page information, images. So you can go through one by one and get all the report and sit with developer and do it. Okay, so this is the best way to cover all the pages accessibility test. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe the channel.